Hello guys! In today's video, I will be reaching level 800 free the facility and welcome back guys. There's no way that I am going to reach level 800 free the facility. Finally, look at this man. I am so close to level 800 guys. Let's go bruh. I am so close. Oh my god, look at my level. Level 799 and my grinding is actually kind of good but it's not really good to play the game all day, but I have to do it because I wanna reach level 1000. As I said in the last video, my goal is to reach level 1000 using the facility. And yeah, let's see if I can reach it level 800 today, guys. Right? All right. We're in the shed right now. Dude, I'm so close to level 800 guys. GG's. Oh no, someone got hit. That's bad. In the maze? Are you serious right now? Dude, in the maze. Oh god, there's no way. Oh god, bro. I don't think I can save because of the beast camping. I mean, camping is just camping when you're camping as a beast, it's actually just normal. I mean, not all the time, but it's kind of normal for some reason. I don't know why, but that's just how I play Flea though. Like, yeah, I've heard of that by the YouTuber Facility Gamer. I think he said that. Oh, I am so sorry, bro. I shouldn't just save there, but the beast is camping. Oh, we have 1,450 joining the game. All right, nice. Right. Oh, he left. Never mind. Alright. I'm gonna hack this computer. I don't know who's the beast though. Like for real. Guys, if we actually escape, bro, one more round. If we escape with brokens for real, that's just it. I'm going to go by 100. GG's. Okay, nice. Oh, there's one in roof. Oh, nah. Guys, I am so sorry if I am actually quiet because I am like focusing right now. So, as I said in the last video, I grinded 10 levels and 799 is going to be my last level in order to reach level 800 in Flee the Facility. And it's actually crazy just crazy na lang, just crazy I guess. Alright. It's actually crazy as heck actually. like when you reach level 800, because 200 levels left. I'm going to be level 1000. Wait, the guy left. Oh, I gotta do 1v1 now. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh my god, bro. Oh, I also did a double jump there. That's nice. I'm gonna focus right now. Oh god. I gotta go to the barn. I'm not cooked. Oh, there's one in garage. Oh, he saw me. I'm cooked. GG's. Oh no, this is bad. Bruh. Oh no. Dude, 1v1 already. Guys, I don't think I'm gonna beat this. What the heck? Yeah, I'm actually cool. GG. Guys, should I let the beast hit me again? Should I let the beast hit me again? You know what? I don't wanna waste my time here. I have to let the beast hit me. You know what? Just hit me again. Guys, I'm gonna do it again. Hit me, bro. Hit me. There we go. Yeah, I didn't even reach it, but it's fine. GG's. Alright. Okay. So I don't okay. So the reason why I needed the beast to hit me is because I don't wanna waste my time. I don't wanna waste my time. Just you know, just running around or something. Like I don't wanna waste my time. Like like making the beast lose when I'm the survivor, because I was playing too good in Homestead, because Homestead is just so OP for me. Homestead is just so easy to you know to waste the time actually when you're a survivor and the beast is actually pro, like their levels is like this. And yeah, I hope it will escape. Please, I need to reach about 100 right now. Please. Bro, I have to do it. Pro servers. Oh, there's nothing at the server. Are you kidding me, bro? Oh my god. Come on. I'm gonna tell them to lock in. Like, please, bro. I have to reach it right now. Come on. Let's go. I don't know who's the beast. Alright, there we go. Alright, and we have the PC. Alright, there we go. We're getting the heck out of here. Close the door, guys. Close the door. I think this. I hope they actually play good. I hope these pros are actually good at playing, because if not, then I would be embarrassing. Like, I don't know why I said that, but okay. one in kitchen, guys. Alright. We're actually hacking the kitchen right now. The kitchen. There we go. Right, I'm gonna chat something to them. I think I'm gonna chat. I'm about to reach level 800, guys. Let's go. Rats. Anyway. Yay! Level 100. They said congrats to me, W. W. Benchios Panda, W for her. Alright, okay. We're gonna hack in the Windows. Okay, Windows. I think that's called Windows, right? We're gonna hack Windows, guys. There's no way I'm gonna reach my 100 in this game. There's no way. I'm gonna show you. I'm going to be the master rank in 3D Facility. And I'm gonna show you to you. I'm recording. Oh, someone got hit. Save her. Nice. Okay, should I hack extra PC? I don't think so. Doesn't really matter anyway. I'm just gonna hack the remaining PCs. Come on. Oh no. Oh no. She's actually good. Wait, bro. Oh my god, there's no way. Bruh. Oh no, not there. Oh my god. Oh my god, please save. Please save her, please save. Come on. I need to reach about 100. Going to be the master rank right now, guys. I'll show you to you in my post later. What it looks like. The master rank. There's like a group of 3D Facility where it's like a competitive where you can just tell your level and you will be like, oh god, I can't even explain right now. No, don't do that. No, dude, I'm about to reach it, bro. Come on. Bro, I got a broken. There's no way. Oh my god, I just got a broken. Let's go, bro. Oh my god, please. Come on. Oh my god, let's go. I don't care. Guys, this is it. GG's. Oh my god, I'm about to do it. I'm about to reach it, guys. There's no way. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Dude. Bro, there's no way. I'm gonna reach it. There's no way. Wait. Guys, this is it. This is it. Level 800. This is it. Level 800. We're not gonna escape. We're not gonna escape, or I'm not going to escape because we're gonna save people first, okay? Okay, never mind. We're actually good at saving. W. Alright. Okay, so this is it, guys. If I actually go here, if I actually escape, I'm going to reach level 800, guys. There's no way. Oh my god. Wait. Come on. Where's the one player? Please. Come on, bro. I need a one player. Come on. Oh my gosh. Where is the one player? Is he good? Alright, I'm gonna tell them. Is everyone okay? Is everyone okay? Oh my god, he's doing extra. Oh, he got it. Okay. Alright. We're gonna wait for. We're just gonna. No. We're just gonna escape. All of us will escape. Yeah. Let's go. I did it. There's no way. Oh my god, there's no way, guys. There's no way. I actually did it. Look at that, level 800. Oh my god, I actually did it. There's no way, bro. I'm gonna screenshot it. Oh my god, there's no way. I actually did it. Yeah. Let's go. I'm recording, by the way. For my YouTube. Yeah, we're dancing now, guys. Yes, sir. W. If you guys enjoyed this video, then please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'm going to take a screenshot because why not? Oh well, I can't even take a screenshot. I was actually late. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah.